Do you know many people are having trouble with the safety warning horn on their Toyota Camry? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Do not modify. Do not modify, remove, strike, or open the front seat belt pretensioner assemblies or airbag sensor. Step 2. Follow safety warnings. Always follow safety warnings related to the front seat belt pretensioner system to avoid injury or damage. Step 3. Do not DIY. If the safety warning horn goes off, do not try to disable the system yourself without proper knowledge. Step 4. Understand system control. The front seat belt pretensioners are controlled by the airbag sensor assembly. Step 5. Seek professional help. Modifications or tampering with the system should only be performed by trained professionals. By following these steps, you'll ensure the proper functioning of the safety features in your Toyota Camry. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.